Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the fog lights on a 2016 Honda Civic. Unfortunately for this job, we're going to have to remove the front bumper. The fog lights are surrounded by the bezel, and the bezel has screws on the back side of the bumper. And so in order to access that, we're going to have to take the bumper off. And I'll post a link in the description below on how to do that. Once you have the bumper off, remove these 4 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Next, with one hand, apply pressure to the back side of the bezel, and with the other, take a flathead screwdriver and twist on the retaining tabs on the bezel. When you get to this type of tab up here, you're going to want to take your flathead and drive it between the bumper and the retainer tab, and then with your thumb push the tab through. And same with the other one. And then just continue with these retainer tabs on the bottom. And then once you have the fog light bezel off, there's 3 more Phillips screws to take out. And the fog light's out. Thanks for watching, guys.